Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need the basics in place before deeper work. Confirm Gboard is installed and updated, then set it as your default keyboard. Once done, go to Settings, System, Languages and Input, and pick Gboard explicitly. If Gboard still does not appear, force stop the app and restart the phone. That clears transient service errors. Make sure no other keyboard app is set to auto-enable. These first actions resolve most simple visibility problems quickly and prepare the device for targeted fixes. Now dive into state and permission issues. Clearing Gboard cache and app data will reset corrupt configs, so open App Info and choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. Next, verify permissions, microphone, storage, and contacts if you use voice typing or clipboard features, because denied permissions can prevent the keyboard from initializing. Also disable battery optimization for Gboard so Android won't kill its background service. These steps address deeper app-level problems that simple restarts don't fix and explain why Gboard may fail to show. To finish, reinstall Gboard to restore missing components and preferences, uninstall, reboot, then install from the Play Store and set it up again. If problems persist, boot the device into safe mode to check whether a third-party app is blocking the keyboard. Safe mode isolates system apps. If safe mode shows Gboard correctly, uninstall recently added apps. Finally, if nothing works, install another keyboard temporarily and file a bug via the Play Store. That gives developers logs to diagnose hard-to-reproduce failures.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.